Spring lasted 3 days. Toronto said, not yet. Skies flip white overnight. Wind cut sharp through city lights. Snow rolls in like ocean waves. But this town was built for this. Shovels scrape at break of dawn. Coffee steam, life goes on. Trains still run, boots hit ground. Storms don't slow this northern town. Wind blows hard, we stand tall. Snow falls deep, we don't fall. Sky won't break, we move along. North on hubs, heart built strong. Storm or sun, we stand.